How to disable passkeys on Binance. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are using Binance and want to disable the passkeys, then first of all open the Binance app or visit the Binance website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, from the main homepage of Binance, go to the top left and tap on the menu button. And on the next page, click on your profile icon at the top. On the next page, click on Security. Inside the Security tab, tap on Passkeys from the top. If you've enabled Passkey, then you'll see this kind of an interface. Simply go ahead and tap on the trash icon right next to the passkey you want to delete, and then click Continue. Now you'll need to verify your passkey. Go ahead and scan your biometrics or enter your device's lock screen and click Confirm. Soon after you do that, the passkey will be disabled. And that's it, you've done it. You can enable a new passkey again at any time from the same menu if you decide to use passwordless sign-in in the future. After disabling passkey, you will need to go ahead and log in using your password every time you try to sign into your account along with your email. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.